geology laboratory. This geology laboratory comes under civil engineering curriculum at 4th semester. Okay, while designing any civil engineering structure, so we need to investigate the subsoil profile. So in this we will come into picture about soil as well as rocks. So initially we dealt with the soil laboratory, that is geotechnical laboratory we have plugged. Now we will deal with the rocks, which is in geology laboratory. Okay, we will go inside first. So this is a geology laboratory. This is a notice board which includes one can able to see the soil stratum of various particular soils located in various locations across the India. Okay. So at the same time we will also see the safety instructions of the laboratory and do's and don'ts of the laboratory while conducting any experiments. At the same time we can observe the mission and the program objectives and the program specific outcomes and the program educational objectives of this particular laboratory session. At the same time, we can see the vision of the school and mission of the school here. Along with that, I will take you to go through the course objectives and program objectives of this laboratory. So this is the chart, okay, which illustrates the course outcomes of the geology lab. At the same time, the experimental mapping also can be seen here. So this is the mission of the lab. There are 4 or 5 different missions we have. At the same time, the program educational objectives are also listed here. So students will go through all these POs and POs, COs right before entering into the laboratory. This is the mapping of each and every experiment with the course outcomes and the course objectives. Basically in this laboratory, we do deal with the obtaining the geomechanical properties and geochemical properties and microstructural evaluation using a microscope. So in this laboratory, especially one can obtain the properties, geomechanical properties of the rocks. This is a very good example of quartz rock, which is a big, very important crystalline material or mineral material in the geology. And at the same time, we can see the various shapes of the crystal minerals. These are the very good examples for various shapes. Isometric system and orthorhombic system and tetragonal and monoclinic system. So now we have discussed about minerals. Now we will deal with rocks. These are a very good example. These are very good example for different rocks available. Okay. So when student deal with a particular laboratory session, they will actually go through the mechanical properties of these rocks. At the same time, they will also visually examine the rocks using microscope.
Yeah. So this way, actually, this is, you can see some of the earth crust and all these models which has been tested, and if the students would like to see those models, then I think they can visualize this particular models. This is the earth crust model, where how the different components of the earth is been there. Similarly, here there is a minerals of various rocks has been actually placed, and how this you can see the Bowman reaction series and other geological series has been actually formed. So which can be explained through this particular models, charts. The students will understand the intricacy of the geology, engineering geology especially. So this way, this particular entire lab, right from various minerals, right from you can say the structural geology, right from you can say various maps, model, through this we will actually demonstrate this particular students the intricacy of the geology.